Welcome! This is a tutorial for doing the monthly actions within the SFI company. It is the beginning of the month, and this means that it is the time to do your monthly actions. Everyone within the company starts from zero each month, and we all have to obtain or maintain our statuses. When the first of the month arrives, the Alert tab at the home page of your account will show that the monthly actions have become available for you to do. The first of the monthly actions is to set your goals for the following month. If you completed this action before the 10th of the following month, you will be awarded with 5 Versa points. Click on the actions at the Alert tab on your home page. This will open a page where you want to write down your monthly goals in the appropriate sections. Let us do this step by step. In the first section, you want to write the number of new members you want to enlist in the following month. The second section should contain the number of EA members you plan on having, also in the following month. The third section should contain the number of PRM members that you plan to enlist again in the following month. In the fourth section, you should write the intended sales that you plan to achieve from your PRM members. In the rest of the sections, you can write the plans which concern your current rank within the SFI company. That is, describe your various rankings on various SFI lists, in case you follow them and if they represent an important part of your work and your motivation. It is important to know that these sections are not mandatory, especially if you are a new member and if you are still unsure of how the company works. Therefore, you do not have to complete all the sections and you can only describe some of your goals. However, if you do complete them by the 10th of the following month, you will get 5 Versa points. After you describe your goals, you can submit them by clicking the green button which says Set this month goal. As you can now see, for setting your monthly goals, you have been awarded with 5 Versa points. After setting up your monthly goals, you can do your daily action by writing about all the activities that you plan for a certain day and which help you achieve your monthly goals. I will write down advertising, and you should, of course, write down your intended activities which are aimed towards fulfilling your monthly goals. Click the button that says Submit today's goals task, and by doing so, you have completed the daily action and the part of the monthly action that concerns your monthly goals. You should continue to do this every day, because this is a part of your daily actions. Let us now go to the second monthly action. You want to go back to the Alert tab of your homepage. The second monthly action is to rate our sponsor, co-sponsor, and the SFI company. Click on the Submit Ratings tab, and a page will then be opened where you can rate your sponsor, your co-sponsor, and the SFI company. You want to choose one of the grades from the drop-down list, and you can also write comments in regard to the given grade. If you write a comment, your grades along with the comments will be visible to your sponsor and your co-sponsor. After that, you want to rate the SFI company. At the end, based on your opinion in regard to whether the SFI company has worked towards bettering its program, you want to check one of these options. After doing that, click the green Submit button and you will have the opportunity to check your ratings once again. If you wish to make corrections, click the red cancel button and repeat the described process. For this action, you will be awarded with 10 Versa points. This action becomes available to you only after you have been working for at least 2 months within the SFI company. The second condition for having this action available is that in the past month you have had more than 500 Versa points. Therefore, the new members cannot do this action right away. If you are a sponsor, that is, if you have your own team that is made out of your direct members, you can see the way in which your members have rated you by looking at the Scoreboard tab. You can see the ratings given to you by your PSA direct members as well as your co-sponsored CSA members. You also see the comments they have left you. In addition to this, at the Scoreboard tab, you can also see your ratings on the top sponsor list within the SFI company. Let us now go back to the Scoreboard tab by going to the bottom of the page. Here, you have the top sponsor list within the SFI company, which is made based on the ratings of the direct members, which are given for the past month. Now, let us do the third monthly task. The third monthly task is not located on the Alert tab of your homepage. However, you can find it and do it from the to-do list, that is, from the Versa Point Ledger. Let us now go to the Versa Point Ledger, where we will find a list of all the available actions with their current status, which informs us whether they have been completed or not. Here, you can check the status of your monthly actions and, as you can see, these 2 actions have been completed, and for that you have been awarded with points. So, the third of the monthly actions is to review your Member T-Connect page on triple clicks. Click the action and you will be directed towards your triple clicks page. And when you return to the Affiliate Center and refresh the page, you will see that you have been awarded for this with 5 Versa points. Within your monthly goals to-do list, that is, within your Versa Point Ledger, you also have the actions which are concerned with the Badge Quest game. Here, the points will be automatically awarded to you based on your success in playing the Badge Quest game in the past month. In addition, during the following month, you will be awarded with points for the Booster Club membership based on your ability to qualify for the Booster Club. This concludes the tutorial for the monthly actions. I wish you a successful beginning of the month. Good luck, everyone!